why I am here at the moment is due to my therapist, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for her, to be very honest, because I was in the rut of my own life. So, but I'm very grateful to her that she had given me the opportunity to be introduced to this platform. And now, what I've realized in the last 3 days is, in the last 2 nights, that I've managed to sleep more peacefully. And yesterday, I did nothing. The bliss of doing nothing was something that I have not experienced in ages. So that was a very good feeling. I enjoyed it thoroughly. And I look forward to, as I spoke to you yesterday, I look forward to doing the silent retreat. That is something that is a desire that I've had for almost 15 years now. Not slept properly in almost 9 years, and no, 10 years almost. So there have been days when I've just when I used to work, I have done 8+ hours shift on an hour of sleep or 2 hours of sleep. So it was fight and flight and nothing else. I just had to go on a hamster wheel every day, and I was doing that and not realizing how badly I was harming myself. Last night, as I gave myself the day for doing nothing, watched the movie. My head hit the pillow and I had no idea. I got up at 4. I went to bed 9:15, 9:30, and I got up around 4 in the morning. It was wonderful without interruption. My basement is empty, and so nobody is there. Nothing is used, no nothing. So I just wanted to be there quietly. I chose that room, and I was sitting there as I was doing the Kriya inside. I realized that I could smell something, and it was not constant. It was in and out. It wasn't fresh. It wasn't flowers. It wasn't roses. It wasn't lavender. It was very woody. So it was almost like myrrh and sandalwood mix. Uh, did I feel it after that? Very faintly, so that I didn't feel it, but it was very nice.